Hi there. Today we are going to see this model. We are going to create this model in Creo. So we will see how to create this. Okay. So as usual, we have created this in part body. It is in So we have to create the template and we have to open that as a default template. So next to that, you can choose a plane and then you can create your sketch. So first of all, just look at the model over here. So we can create this complete sketch over, then we can use extrude option, we can create it, then we can go for this separate extrusion. So for creating this, we need to create the sketch. So let me place it. So then we can create our sketch. So let me click on front and then you can go for sketch option. So now it came normal. So then click on center line, create your center line just for reference purposes. Okay. So after that, let us create this shape. Okay. So as you can see, it is an arc over here. So somewhere it is connecting up to this endpoint, up to this AR. So let me click over here, normal 3-point arc, you can use it. So simple shape we need to create it. So let me take that as this as the center, and then with respect to that I'm making the shape over here. So as you can see, it is coming straight over here. So let me connect it here and let me place somewhere here. Let me click over there. Okay. So as you know, this one has to come exactly on that center point. So use coincident relation. So and make this point touching this line. Okay. So after that, give the dimension. So this is radius 240. So let me give dimension. So this is radius 240 I require. So create. So after that, this is just an offset they are making, and then here we need to create a straight line. So let us make the shape. So whatever we require. So let me make the shape something like this, and from here an arc is getting connected between this one and this one. Let me make that shape for now. So then from here a straight line I require, and it is coming over here also. And after that I can attach a fillet. So first I need to make some offset for this. So you can see they have given 9 mm thickness. So use offset option and give 9 mm thickness. So let me go for offset. So single only, choose that. So direction is fine. So give your distance and then click OK. So automatically it is created. Then click close over here and then click on line command. So join this two. And over here also it should connect. So just mention the thickness, everything and all. So this distance is 16 mm. Okay, and from here to here we require is 173. Fine. And this one is radius 10, but before that we need to make it fillet over here also, that is a tangential continuity. So let me make tangential over here. So this is fine. And this one also, make sure we need to touch it. So, and this distance is not maintained. So let me click here and then I require 9 mm. And this one is radius 10. So it is not getting connected. Okay, fine. So we need to make coincident this one and this one. So now it is touching. So after that, whatever it is there, we need to delete it apart. So you can delete it now. So then you can add fillet over here. This is R5. So between this one and this one. Okay, your fillet is not getting created. Let me connect with an arc itself. So make sure the arc is touching tangentially over here also, and over here also. So make tangent here and over here as well. Then give the radius is 5 mm. Then the extras we don't require, trim it apart. So only one thing is we need to fix this radius, so that is R10. So give 10 mm, fine. Okay. So now it is completely defined, there is no movement, so this is moving up and down. Okay, so let us fix this dimension. So we will give this distance from here to here, so as 50 mm. So let us fix this position. So because they haven't given the dimension, so let us fix this. So then we need to convert this into a solid. So we can see the total extrusion, it is 200 mm. So let me make a extrude like this. Let me go for symmetric. So either you can do one part and then you can do completely mirror later, or you can make it completely also, no issues. So let me make it completely 200 mm. Click OK. So now this shape we have got, this is fine. So then we need to create this profile, whatever we are saying, this we need to make. Okay. So for creating this one, you can see from here 30 mm offset I need to do. Then from here to here 92, that is for that one. So this distance is 140, that is fine. And this distance is 21 mm. This one and this one, it is 20 mm. So that way I need to make it. So I need to create a plane. So from this side or that side you can choose it. So give 20 mm as the distance. So let me give a minus, fine. So because we need to create this cylinder first, so then we can create the shape. So for creating that cylinder, so you can use this concentric, fine. Then I need to use dimension. This is at a distance, or we can make the entire shape also, no issues. Instead of 21, you can change that to 30 mm. We will create the entire profile. Okay, this complete shape, whatever we are seeing, that we will create it now. So first of all, let me use this project option. Let me convert this entities. Okay, so after that you need to have two circles here. Then from that quadrant I need to make it straight. Then it should come straight over here and then fine. Okay. In this one we will make it completely straight. This one will make it a little bit from here, and we need to make it coincident. Then from this quadrant I need to make a straight line. Then between this and between this I need to connect an arc. I think the arc has to come down. Okay, fine. So make tangency here also. Fine. So first of all, here I think we need to have a fillet. So make fillet over there, and then the total distance from here to the axis is 284. Okay, so after that the fillet radius is 15 mm, that you can define. Leave this part. This we can't do it now because we have to do it in top view. That we can do it separately. Okay. We can make the part now itself. So from here it is going straight, and then it is going a little bit top, then it is fine, then it is coming down again, then it is connecting with this. Okay, so now one by one you can create it. So this distance is 30 mm, so 30, fine. So this distance is 5, so you can mention that, and make this as horizontal, so it will come straight. This one also horizontal, so that will become straight. I think this dimension got deleted. 284, and here dia 30, dia 50. So click over here and then select diameter symbol, so 30, and click again, choose diameter 50. So then from here to here 55, that is from this end to this end 55, and this end is 85. Okay, so then this portion I require 15 mm. Okay, so now everything is fully defined. Okay, fine. So this cutouts we will do later. Let me trim this portion, I guess, so we don't require it. So let us make a completely closed shape, then we need to create this portion also. So for that, let me make a straight line here and here, then here the arc has to come. So do offset of 15 mm upward, so that it needs to touch this one, and over here, then the extras you can remove it apart. So then specify dimension, then make the fillet. This one is 15 mm, and over here okay 60, and from this to this 15 mm. Okay, fine. So then make fillet on all the sides, I think R5. So use equal constraint, choose this one, this one. Okay, and this has to come straight, so make horizontal. Delete this equal constraint also, and we need to make it coincident, so it will come straight. So this portion has to maintain same coincident. Okay, So completely done, click OK. So this one you want to convert into a solid, so as having a thickness of 8 mm. So click on extrude and 8 mm I need to make. Flipping material, inside it needs to come, click OK. So then over here the cylinder has to create this portion. So let me select this face and I need to go to sketch. So concentric I need to make, so click on concentric, click over here, choose that same diameter, click OK. First create the material, later we can remove it. So the total distance is 140. Okay, as you can see this is 21 mm. So what it will happen is here this distance is 9 mm. So one side I need to make 9 mm, this side, and the next side you can choose 2 selected and you can choose up to this plane. So this is my center plane, up to that I can create it. Fine. So then we need to make this profile, so that I can choose this top face, I can create my sketch over there. So if you want make the shading with edges, you can see the edges clearly. So here I need to create a rectangle. So let me define my rectangle. So then make this one coincident here and this one coincident over here. So after that they are mentioning distance, so total 49, and from here to here 21. Okay, so that's it. So then click OK. So this one extrude I need to make flip direction up to this phase I require the object has to touch, click OK. So it's making a touch. So then here fillet has to come, so you can see they have mentioned R5 and over here also you need to make fillet. Go to round option, make all the fillet at the same time. Okay, after that over here also and over here also. So then click OK. Fine. So then we need to make a cutout. So choose concentric option, click over here, create a circle, and so this diameter is 30 mm we require, so make 30, click OK. So extrude, remove material, flip direction until selected, choose the plane, click OK. So then here also we need to make the cutout. So I think both you can do at the same time because both are coming in same planar sketch. So let me make a circle here. So that diameter is 15 mm. Okay, so then from here to here, the top to this distance is 15, and it has to come center, So total is 30, so give the distance, or otherwise you can create a symmetry constraint over there. Fine. So now I need to mirror this parts, so choose everything what and all you need to mirror. So I need to mirror all this, so click on mirror and then choose the center plane and click OK. So then the object has been mirrored with respect to that plane. So then over here we need to make a cutout. As you can see, this is my cutout. So okay, it is coming at this portion. You can click on this face and make normal. It's a rectangular one, so let me make a rectangular, and then I need to create center line because it should come symmetric. So go to symmetry, select this endpoint and then choose the center line and give the distance 92. Okay, then from top 19 mm, and it is touching here, and depth is 4 mm. Okay, so no problem, let me click create like this, extrude, flipping, remove material up to 4 mm. So now click OK. So that's it. So completely done. I think here the fillet we need to add here also. Okay, so completely done, exactly as it is, whatever it is there. So we have created the same shape. So if there are any doubts, put it a comment below. We'll see in the next video.